Sarah says. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to choose a cake for my brother. What do you recommend?
I suggest you try our chocolate muffins. They're delicious.
Okay, I'll take 2 of them.
Great. Do you need anything else?
Yes. I need a loaf of bread, please.
Would you like it sliced?
Yes, please.
Thinly or thickly sliced?
Thin.
All done. Is there anything else you'd like?
No. That's everything.
Great. That will be £5, please.
Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.